Welcome to day 381. The weather is not bad today. Today from the morning snowfall is not stopped. It's still snowfall happening. I wanted to share one experience. When we want to control our anger is still like we feel lots of angry, everyone. When we want to control our anger, when we want to control our emotions, feelings, then we try to do it. But when people don't see that or don't feel like we are making any change or something, if it relates with anyone, then we may feel overwhelmed. We don't feel like why should we do, but we cannot measure the depth of ocean just by looking at it. If you want to know the depth of the ocean, then you need to dive in. But just because you dive in doesn't mean that you will know what you wanted, you will get what you wanted. You need some skills. It comes with lots of consequences, because just by diving in the ocean you won't know the depth. You need to go very far inside, deep down, and you may think, if you don't know the process, you need to have lots of skills, you need to know lots of things about that too, and because it is very deep, and just by diving in you won't know. And it makes sense with those things about when we are angry or doing something, because if we just try, because when you dive in the ocean as well, then you won't get to the point where you wanted, and we know that. And like that, when we can't control our anger, our emotions, then also it feels the same. It feels the same. It is the same with that too. We need to have lots of skills. We need to have patience. We need to know what we are doing, and those things come with lots of consequences. And that's why we need to keep patience. So when before we judge anyone, or when we are trying to do something new, then we need to have patience. We need to know what we are doing. Just because you are looking at the ocean, you can't get the depth, and even if you dive, you won't get to the point where you wanted. You cannot measure the depth just by diving in. You need to know how to swim, and just by swimming is also not enough. It has lots of consequences, because you may sink in if you don't know how to do it. You need oxygen, and because deep down it's very hard. And it is like, I feel like it's same with when you want to control anything, when we want to do anything, when we want to make change. We try for 1 week, 1 month, but it's not enough. Why? It's not enough because we are not doing that properly, or we are not going to the depth. Yeah, that's what I wanted to say. And it is like a reality check. We don't do these things, and we just keep swimming in. We just keep diving, and after diving we feel like we did enough, but that's not enough. Maybe that's why we fail to achieve these kind of things. Yeah, that's all. Have a good day, everyone.